Yan, family guys. Bacon bacon egg sandwich with mayonnaise and ketchup. Yan po guys, family. Ang lambot ng tinapay, family guys. Mamaya yung hotdog. Ulam for tonight. Bacon with egg. Panini bread. Beautiful. And safe po to. Yan. 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 Lambot. Yan po, lagay po natin yung bacon. Ay, lagyan po muna natin ng ating sa Pilipinas. Ladies choice po yan. Yan. Maraming mayonnaise. Yeah. Alright guys, family. Ulong natin. Baka may gustong mag-mayonnaise. Ayan. Wow. Grabe. Lagay natin yung ating egg. Mamaya na po yung ating hotdog. Bacon and egg sandwich. Ulam for tonight. Yan po guys, family.